Hey guys, this is Evewin Lakra. So today is 21st March 2021. Today is Sunday, so we are cooking fish. This is the fresh fish which we have purchased from the local market, and our wok is hot and we'll be putting the SARSOO tel or mustard oil. We are using Fortune brand mustard oil over here. So this is the mustard oil. After the mustard oil heats up, we're gonna fry the fish. Before that, my mom is putting some sea salt over the fish. Guys, now it's time to add some turmeric or haldi. अब हल्दी और नमक डाल के फ्रेश फिश को मम्मी मिला रही है फ्राई करने के लिए हॉट मस्टर्ड ऑयल या सरसों तेल में।
हल्दी और नमक का मिश्रण।
So guys, our fresh fish is getting fried in hot oil. Let me show you. So this is the fresh fish and we are frying in hot mustard oil.
ऐसा होलो रुई माछ। माछ फ्राई।
So just a few minutes left and both the sides will be golden brown and it will be ready to eat. So मम्मी तुम सिरामिक ब्लू प्लेट में मेरा फिश निकाल रही है. So our fish is almost ready to take out of this hot wok. And my mom is taking it out with the help of the steel spoon. This ceramic plate is from the brand Home Center, which is very good.
Wow! I love fresh fish. I love it.